It's a cold, crispy morning. 15 degrees. Ground's nice and hard. I was thinking of doing something else today, but today's a good burn day, so on with the plan. Get this one going and then move that one over to this one, I think. Because I want just one mess, not two. Let's see what happens. A little bit of help from you know what, and it should get going. Well, I'm done. It's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I've thrown gallon after gallon of go-go juice and spent like $60 on trying to get a pile of wood to burn, and it just won't burn. So I'm gonna leave it. Hope there's some hot embers in the middle somewhere. That look what difference a couple of hours makes. It's 4:30. It was 3 when I gave up. I got changed, walked around a little, came back to the fire, and it is roaring. And the trick is, give it time to build up the heat in the middle and let it dry out. I did not relight it. I just let it sit. That is a healthy fire. Problem is, it's 4:30 in the afternoon, and it's getting healthy at the wrong time of day. But it'll burn down another hour or two, and this pile will be half the size. I'll just Well, I just came out to check on the bonfire. I would say that it's going pretty good. There is no putting it out, though. So I'm just going to have to let it die down. It's quite the impressive fire. It's only 6:30, so I'm going to sit here and just wait for an hour or so. I think I might go around the outside and pull some of the fuel off it so that it burns down, doesn't have any fresh fuel. Well, I got all the fresh material away from it. Put about a 15-foot fire block around the outside. There's a couple of embers in the fresh pile. There's nothing that's going to relight. And there's just the smouldering heap in the middle now. That'll probably be gone in an hour or two. So I think I'm going to go up to the house and get a shower, and then just come back and take a look in an hour or so. And that should be nice and safe for the night. A good bonfire is like a gift that keeps on giving. This is the next morning. I'm going to fluff this up, get it going, and then all of the material that I pulled off last night, I'm going to put it back on again, and maybe by the end of today it'll actually be gone. The rain they promised would come at 1:30 is at 1:50. It's here. It's pretty heavy, so I'm calling it quits. I won't be able to move around on that mud. So that is the end of the fire day. It'll keep burning. It's hot as heck. It'll burn till the morning, and then I'll come down and pick up all the pieces, put it back together. It'll probably burn again all day long tomorrow. That's it. That was a heck of a fire.